We're back with another knife review. Today it is the Boker Dejavu. It is a simple folder that it's kind of reminiscent of a Dejavu. If anybody is familiar with those French knives, we'll show it to you. Alright, we'll start off by telling you some specs. This knife is 7.3 inches overall. Blade length is 3.3. The blade thickness is 0.1. Very thin little blade. 440C. This handle is cocoa bolo wood and comes in a couple different varieties. Has a thumb stud for opening. Is considered a frame lock. It's a manual, not really a flipper, but opens manually. We'll go ahead and show you how that is with one hand here. Very simple. Has a pocket clip for tip down right hand carry. The back of the knife is the frame, it's stainless. It only weighs 1.5 ounces, so it's a very light carry, and you'll be surprised how it works. We'll go ahead and grab some stuff here and show you the knife in action. As you can tell, it cuts through that very easily, as you would expect it to. Got some paracord here. Cuts through that. We'll cut in a front matter. It's very smooth when it cuts. We'll bring it up here and cut some cardboard. Now, I always get to carry my knives. I'm always on top of the blade when I'm cutting cardboard. I don't know why I do that, but I just do. I always have. As you can see, it cuts through very easily. It's also good for more precision cutting. These little blades are extremely sharp. Very nice little knife. So once again, this is the Boker Dejavu. Comes in a couple of different varieties. I know one of them is considered a spectrum, which is a rainbow color. So for those of you watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife and like our post. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to our channel. You can watch our 5-minute reviews as well as our weekly show. I'm sure you'll, if you're into knives, you won't be disappointed. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.